Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account. So it's a very easy process. So firstly, what you have to do is just open your browser, then open Binance on it. After that, go to the first link. Then just simply go to your asset section. After that, once you're in your asset section, just simply choose whatever coin you want to withdraw. Let's say, for example, you want to withdraw USDT. All you have to do is just simply convert this into your funding wallet. As you can see, it's already in funding wallet. But if you have any other coin, like for example, Solana, first thing that you have to do is first convert that Solana into USDT and then convert that into funding wallet. Once you will do that, go to trade, then P2P. After that, click on sell, choose USDT. Now you can choose your transaction amount over here. Then click on sell USDT. Now over here in the set payment method option, you have to add your bank account. And once you will do that, you will be able to transfer your funds directly to your bank account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.